Got me one. Got me one. Hit him. Oh, shit. Whoa. That's one hole, man. Yeah, that's good. Come on, son. Flip him in. Flip him. Hold on. Whoa. Look, right on the edge of that fucking dirt by them cypress knees, I pitched it in there and hit, and I felt it. I was like, yeah. There, you touch one.
Yeah, I got the touch one. Healthy.
Little decent one on some bandito bug. It's about a cypress knees, babe. Look at that. Nice little one. Ooh. All right, little fella. Appreciate you. All right, we got stuck at the boats, huh? I like it. Castle.
That's the same way I caught the other one. Oh, piece of wood. Good little area.
Huh?
That's a good little area.
Yeah. Another one. Yep. Oh, yeah. Come on, baby.
Kill.
Come on, baby. They're a little bit bigger. All right.
Oh, I hope you got a lateral line on.
Yeah, buddy. Come here, little fella. Oh, he wasn't going nowhere. Look how he was hooked, huh?
He's stuck. Same place, too, huh?
No, a little bit further down. With that trash.
On that whole line.
That's where I caught that first one. About 6 feet to the left. Where I caught this one at.
You dragging it or hopping?
I'm just picking it up slowly. Letting it sit and lifting it. Number 2, baby. A little bit smaller than the last one. Thank you, buddy.
Oh, I gotta catch up. Catch up. Right around this bend with the current.
Yep.
Right where you should be. He hit it while I was reeling it up.
See, that's what I'm talking about. Right here, bro.
He took my crawl.
Oh, ready to back for that one. Got a whole pack of them.
I was reeling it up and he hit it. So give me that.
I need
that crawfish.
Oh, that's a good one. Oh, yeah. Get the net.
I don't have it.
Huh?
I don't have the net. Bring it over to me, I'll grab it.
Let me see. Let me cut the shit out of it.
Just keep working on side to side.
Good job, bitch. Got it.
Oh, in a fucking in a creek.
Terrible.
In a creek.
Yeah.
In a creek, bro.
It's gonna hurt. I feel flat.
In a creek. Chill that one.
Woo!
Man.
Check that bad boy
Like
out,
a
son.
3-pounder in a creek.
Woo! In about 4 foot of water right there, babe, on a bandito bug. Right off a stump.
Go!
Son, that don't get your blood pumping.
Oh, yeah.
Not a bad little fish. What y'all think, about 2.5, 3?
I get it.
All right, let me get a good release on him. Hold on. All right. See you later, buddy. Nice and sweet. Soft and moot, soft. Cut up.
It's in the tree.
Get over there, get over there, get over there. Come. See that?
Pick up off the lawn. Check the hook and fuck. go.
Yeah.
Let's go. I got one in the boat. Let's go.
Okay. Hell yeah.
Ah.
Woo! That's a good one.
Yeah.
Pound and a half. Not bad, not bad, not bad. For your first.
My first.
Too soon?
Oh, I finally got one.
Yeah.
Oh, I got to see three jump out the water. I finally got to touch one of my own. Later.